So I think I haven't made a psychology video yet, and you might be on a 5-10 loss streak, and you might be wondering, why do you keep losing? And one of the reasons you might be losing is that you still have like a normie's mindset kind of way. So like, think of a normal person. If the normal person doesn't go to work, like, he just receives zero money because he's not working, all right? But it doesn't lose, it doesn't win, all right? If he goes to work, he makes money, and he's not gonna work and not receive money, or make no money, or lose money, you know? So there's these two factors on the normal world, like on a normie's world, 9 to 5 kind of thing. But when you go to trading, there's also another thing you have to consider, which is losing money. This is really simple, but a lot of people don't realize, because when you go to trading, when you go to place a trade, you always think, how much can you win? How much can I win? How much can I win out of this one? And that is not how a professional, profitable trader thinks. The profitable trader doesn't think, how much can I make out of this trade? He thinks, how much can I lose on this trade? Because you have the mindset of winning, but what about losing? Like, you think about risk to rewards on a position basis, but do you really think on a more overall kind of way of thinking? Because, like, is this trade, like, is it worth the risk to lose on this shitty setup? Like, is it worth it? Like, ask yourself, because, like, you're thinking, how much can I win? Like, how can I make this 5%? But the only reason why you're worried about making 5% is because you're already -5, and you're -5 because of their same way of thinking. Like, how much can I win? How much can I get out of this trade? And you're thinking, like, you gotta trade every day. Like, you gotta trade to make money, but you're not factoring in that you can lose money. And losing money is a part of trading. But you gotta realize that not trading is also trading, guys. I'm gonna repeat it again for the people in the back. Not trading is also trading. You don't have to trade every day. You don't have to take a position. There's no one behind you with a gun pointed at your head, like, click the fucking button, buy, sell, go on. Because you really just want the adrenaline and dopamine of being in a trade. Like, you're taking bullshit setups. Like, follow your plan, be selective, because you might be profitable in backtesting, but on the real markets you're not, because you're just moving away from the plan. Like, let's say your plan, I can't write with this. Let's say your plan is the roadmap. This is the road, is the roadmap to profitability, let's say. And you're here, and you're taking a shortcut that you think is gonna do this, but maybe this shortcut is just gonna get you far away from your destination, and this is just gonna get you to blown accounts. That's where it's gonna lead you, because you're taking shit. If your GPS says you gotta take these roads to get to your destination, are you gonna start playing around, like, thinking, taking other roads, taking shortcuts? You don't even know where you're heading to. And then you wonder why you're unprofitable, because you're just taking shitty setups at the end of the day. Like I said, just want the dopamine of trading. But then you get the depressing side. So is it really worth it? Like, I also used to trade, like, every day, 1 2 trades a day, but that shit was stressful as fuck, man. And there's guys that trade three, that have 3 trades a day. Like you're really like risking 3% a day, like if you lose out of it, and that to me is just crazy. So you want to be selective with your setups and really think to yourself, is this worth me losing 1% of this trade? Because yeah, first it's just 1%, 1% is nothing, haha. But then it turns 2, then it's 3, 4, 5, and then you just try to make it back, and you just get on this spiral effect of losing. First you lose, then you try to make it back, and then you try to make back what you tried to make back that you lost, and it's just a messy thing. And then you just fucked. Like, we all lose, yeah, we know losing is normal in trading, but you can't just really be like accepting, like, oh yeah, it happens. Yes, it does happen, but that doesn't mean you can move like a degenerate, like trading like shit. Like, come on, be professional. Think about your equity curve. Like, fuck the prop firms, restart button. Like, think about your overall performance in trading, like in a year. Think about getting something like this, and not something like this bullshit. Because that's not the right mentality you want to have. So, for example, right here, like, this could be an aggressive trade. Like, if you really think it's popping off, but you don't see a setup, you maybe would take this. Because, like, we have some liquidity right here. We had this order block that tests this, that took liquidity here. So it looks kind of decent, you know? I even said on Discord, I'm looking at this. And this could have been test here, go here. Or it could also be what it's currently doing, break the highs to then come lower. This could be a trap at the end of the day. And what do I say after that? First supply, okay, first supply didn't work. That's why we wait for confirmation. That's why we follow the plan. That's why we sit patiently and we try to survive in this game. Because we know we can lose. So if you know we can lose, we gotta play this well. It's not risking every movement you see on the market. Like, wait for your best setups and get profitable. Because then you don't have to try to make it back what you already lost for trying to be greedy and trying to, I don't know, how do you say, rush the process. So yeah, guys, just think about how much you can lose. Join the Discord, because then you will be like accountable for your actions, and you have brothers beside you that will tell you like you're making a mistake, and you'll see others' behaviors. And there's a lot of profitable traders out there, a lot of good traders, and you'll see how they behave, so you can like imitate their behaviors. So yeah, I'm waiting on this trade to play out. Maybe we'll do to New York. And yeah, guys, I hope this been a helpful video. I still got a lot of more psychology videos to make. This is not the only reason you can be losing, but it's one of the few. So I just wanted to get this out of the way. But still, guys, like, psychology is important in trading, but it's only once the technicals are down. So if you don't have the technicals yet, the psychology doesn't really matter, because you're still shit at technicals. So psychology might not be your issue for the moment, if you're a beginner in trading. If your strategy is not profitable on paper, on the back testing. So yeah, guys, hope this has been helpful. Subscribe, like, and see you on the next one. Peace.